Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can automatically add subtitles inside of Premiere Pro. Now Premiere Pro have got a really good feature for this, and you basically can just do it automatically. You do have to make a few adjustments just to clear up the text, as it's not going to get it 100% perfect, but it's definitely a lot quicker than actually typing out yourself, as that would take ages if you've got a long video. So I've just added in one of my videos. Let's just say we wanted to add subtitles to the first minute of the video. To start with, what I'll do is I'll right click up here and I'll select mark in. I'm then going to go forward a minute and then right click again and select mark out. Now you don't have to do this. If you wanted subtitles for your whole video, you'll just leave it normally as it is. So once you have your clip ready and you're ready to add subtitles to it, what you want to do is you want to go up in the top left corner and you'll see three options: source, text and effect controls. What we want to do is click on text. So once we've selected text, we now want to go on and select transcript. It should look something like this, and when you're ready you can just click transcribe. So it's now done. That only took a couple minutes. It doesn't actually take too long. So here's where we actually want to start editing the text. So as you can see here, there's a full stop after hello, but I didn't really pause that much, so we're just going to change that to a comma. And it says welcome back to love a video, but I actually said to another video. You basically just want to make these edits across your whole project until you've got all this transcript right and it's ready to be turned into subtitles. Now when you're ready to actually create the subtitles and all your text is edited, at the top here there's two little C's, which stands for create caption. So we're going to click on that. So here's where we actually got the option to change the subtitles. So if you've already got a style, what you can do is you can drag it into your project, and from here you can open this and it'll be here. So basically what you want to do is you want to change these three options here to get it exactly how you like. If you want shorter captions, I'd recommend doing something like 20, and also setting the lines to single. And then when you're ready to create them, just click create captions. And what this does is push your captions into your project. As you can see, they're down here. Now we can just scroll across and we can see that it's basically like, since we set that option to 20, it basically allows no more than like four big words into the captions. So if you wanted it longer than that, you'd basically want to go back and do it again and change that to whatever you want. And then if you wanted to create a style, like I was saying earlier, what you want to do is you want to drag them all. And then from here, we can just customize all these things and we can basically just change it to match exactly how we need. So let's just say I wanted the font bigger. We'd raise up the font a little bit. And we can also change all these settings if we wanted the text red, for example. If we wanted to add a white background behind it. We'd just do all these things here. And we can basically just play around with all these settings to get these texts exactly how we want. What I do is I highlight it all and I go up to here, graphics and titles, and I just select upgrade captions to graphic. Now what this will do is it will change it from a caption into an actual graphic. So from here you could keyframe it if you wanted to. So let's just say we wanted it to start here, for example, and then come in a second. You can go like something like that and it will slide into the screen. This wouldn't be possible with how we had it before on captions, so you do want to make sure you upgrade them to graphics first. If you didn't upgrade them and they're still on captions like this, what you want to make sure you do is go over to your export settings. And as you can see, there's one option called captions. I have mine off as I don't typically do this. I typically turn them into graphics. But what you want to do is you want to turn them on and you want to burn caption into video. What this will do is basically add your captions onto the screen in your video. Because if you do not have this enabled, automatically they won't be added to your video unless you turn them into a graphic. So you want to make sure this is enabled or it will not work. So that's basically how to add automatic subtitles into Premiere Pro. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please comment down below and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.